Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through a quick little tutorial of Canva AI. Most of you should know Canva for flyers, etc., but I'm going to show you how to do logos, create client quote calculators, and things that you can use for lead generation. So the first thing you always want to do is come to Canva. You should know Canva AI, and I'm going to drop in a prompt for a logo. I taught you how to do this in the other lesson, so if you're not sure, go back. But this is a quick prompt: create a luxury, elegant and chic logo for Serenity Spa, a massage company, my colors, etc. Pop that in. As you should know, it's going to populate. And it's going to give me about 4 different logos that I can use. Remember, I've taught you, if you don't know what prompt to use, ask ChatGPT, tell it what you're trying to do, and ask it to create the prompt for you. It's now given me 4 examples, as you can see. These aren't too bad, considering that the prompt I gave was very basic. So let's see. I'm probably going to grab the last one, Serenity Spa. I'm going to go to edit that in Canva. Now, as it's got the grey background, you can click the background and do background BG remover, and it will automatically remove that background for you, so you can then literally download the file. You want to do a PNG transparent background, and what that does is when it saves, you'll be able to use it on anything and apply it as an overlay, and there won't be a background to it. So you just literally want to download the logo you like, and go from there. So what I did want to discuss with you is, okay, what are the benefits of doing this? So first of all, you can type a prompt and get multiple logo concepts in seconds, saving you tons of money, and also helping if you have clients who you do this for. You can easily tweak. It keeps you on brand everywhere with your brand kits and stuff like that, so you can then grow. I'm going to create another one. This is called for Bougie Boutique, a trendy woman clothing store. Same thing, colors black and gold, minimalist style. You can freeze the frame if you want to kind of see what I wrote. Here's some they're giving me. I'm not sure I really like that. I'm going to create some more elegant variations. So you can always create more. It's going to create some more for me. And you should definitely get to learn Canva AI and Canva itself if you don't know it. So let's see. I think this one's not too bad with the dress. I think I may go for that one. Let's pick that. I'm going to show you how you can actually create a background for that. So let's use Canva editor. Same thing I showed you before. You want to click on the background, and then you will see something that comes up that gives you the option to remove the background. You want to do that. This enables you to get a transparent logo that you can apply to anything. You want to click share, download PNG file, and you want to do transparent background. And once again, that will download the transparent background. So I'm going to download that. But then we're going to move on, and I want to create like a motion background for my logo. So I've create an 8-second video. I'm going to upload the logo we just did. Elegant video background with black, gold and white luxury tones, include smooth flowing motion graphics and subtle sparkles, soft lounge instrumental music. All right, now even though I put my logo, sometimes it's a bit glitchy. It's still getting its act together. It may not include the logo, but I just want to show you how you can take that logo and then create like motion behind it and give it a bit of animation to look like an animated logo. So this is the background it created. So let's press play, see how that looks. So that's not too bad. It's just like I said, I'm giving it very basic prompts. You're going to want to be more detailed. This is just a quick look at what it can do. It's up to you to use your imagination for the next level. I'm going to say use this design in Canva editor. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload, and I've already downloaded it, but I'm going to upload the logo we just created. And I'm going to put that on top, just like that, right? And then another trick, if you can't see your logo because the background is blending too much, you can simply go to Elements and click Gradient Black, and it will give you some gradients you can use. I'm trying this circle. Do you see how I applied that? I'm now going to put that behind the logo, so I'm going to have its position changed. And click backwards, and do you see how now it's separated and allowed the illusion of the logo to be on top, which to me looks much more defined. And there you go. And I think that's very nice, don't you? Okay, so now that it's moving, I think that's a good way I could show you. You can just click download, go to MP4 because you want to save it as a video, download it, and there you are. You're done and you're good to go. So this is just a quick way. Also, you can animate. So if you click animate, there are various animations it will give you too. As you can see, transitions, so that you can even do more to create like an animated moving logo style. So play around. These tools are just to play around, but let your creativity take over and allow yourself to, go with it. So these are good for stopping the scroll. It gives a polished, fast look. It's on brand. They're consistent and reusable in all of your promo materials, and you can plug and play. So when you download this, it just instantly is available for you to add to whatever you want to add in the right format. So I think that's definitely something good to look at. Now we're going to create a client calculator. So I'm sure some of you are tired when you have to keep giving these quotes. I've asked it to create a client quote calculator. I didn't give the services or the prices. I'm just going to see what it does. So it's creating a interactive style quote estimator mock-up for a website. It's designing a clean luxury interface. I'm using elegant upscale typography. So I've just given it, like I said again, ChatGPT prompt. And here you go. We have a quote estimator. I didn't give it this information. It's decided that's what it wanted to give me, but you will put in what you want. So your services, you'll give it a list of your services, how much they cost. And this is going to save you time. Look, now they can go in, see what they want, choose and decide what they want to spend. And it saves you having to constantly answer messages about how much your services cost or what add-ons you have or what else you can deliver. So this is a great if you're offering services and you want to find a way to streamline. You would say using design, using website. And there you have it. So when you're using a tool like this, you can edit, but you can't really edit what they've given you. If you don't like what you've got, you're going to have to regenerate. But when you're ready to share it, you want to do what you want to do is you want to do publish website. You want to publish it as a website because then you'll be able to get a link for it. And this is the link you will put on your website where they can go directly to it. So as I said, publish website, it's going to give me its own site link, a URL that I can use for people to get there, right? You can edit it too to be something more customized to you. And literally all you're going to do is say publish website. And from there, you will then be able to use that, maybe ask people for emails or put it on your website to save time where people can know what they're spending. I'm going to do publish site. It says preparing your design. It says view website, boom. And this is your own personal link to your quote estimator, your quote calculator. And like I said, you can put that anywhere on your website, etc. The benefits of this, it helps you to pre-qualify leads. So it collects budgets, timelines, because it can collect this information so you know what people need. It boosts conversions, automated follow-up. So it sends a summary and email. It raises order value so you know which services people are interested in and stuff like that. So now we're going to go on to create a 5-second talking head video. This is something else you can do in 5 minutes. Once again, ChatGPT is great if you are trying to do this and you're not sure what to say. Just ask it. It will create the prompt for you. Tell it that you're creating it in Canva. So we're going to create an 8-second talking head. So that was me. I think, let me see. It said it's going to go ahead and do that. So yes, I'm asking it. Let me see. Maybe there's a little glitch there. So yeah. It will create 8-second videos. On the free plan, you can only create, I think, about 3 to 4 videos a month. But So here we have
Welcome to the Elevate Experience.
Take this opportunity to remind anybody in a crisis that there are multiple local.
Sorry, I've got my background noise happening here. One moment.
Welcome to the Elevate Experience, where we transform your vision into reality. Welcome to the Elevate Experience, where
Once
we
again, a simple
transform
prompt
your
asking
vision
for a
into reality.
talking head video. I asked it to use luxury, elegant style. If you want to give, a certain race, certain ethnicity, you will put that in too, and then it will generate something like that. Once again, you just say using Canva. So it's all the same process, but using it to generate different assets for your brand. These can help you to look more polished, etc. So I'm sure you can see the benefits in having these simple tools. So, it's great. You can go from script to screen instantly. It's always on brand. Pro audio, no studio needed. Every platform you can put it on, just one edit, and it's built to convert. So you can drop in your call to actions. You can drop in YouTube. You can drop anywhere you want. So I think this is so great for people who just want a little extra. Now we're going to go into creating a 6-question interactive quiz titled Find Your Signature Candle Scent for a Luxury Candle Company. Once again, I use ChatGPT. I told it at the end of the quiz, display a personalized candle scent recommendation like your woody or your spicy. It's going to create that. So say you had a candle company or you had a company that offered maybe jewelry, things that maybe people are not sure when they get to your site what they're looking for or what their style or their personality is. You can create these type of quizzes, then ask them for their emails before they can take the quiz, and this makes a perfect lead generation magnet. So this one said find your signature candle scent. So let's walk through the quiz that it created for me. You can see I literally just put create an elegant interactive quiz that helps visitors discover their perfect candle scent with beautiful styling and smooth functionality. It filled in the rest. If there's specific tones you have or styles you have in your boutique, all you will do is you'll input that information with the prompt and it will do that for you too. So those are included. I'm still working my way through. As you can see, I'm answering these questions. Which scent family appeals to you most? Floral, I'll go with. When do you feel most inspired? I'm a late night worker, so late nights. What's your personal style? I would definitely say maybe timeless and classic. Where would you love to escape to? Tropical beach, don't we all? And it says here, join our VIP candle club. Yes, I'd love to join. Discover my signature. And here it says, I'm a floral and romantic dreamer. Now, something to remember with Canva AI is it does not accept emails for you. So your best bet is to create an email function on your website or a link that they have to go to and give you your email first. Then once they've given you that email, they should be redirected to that tool. The benefits of doing this, it once again helps you to collect leads. It boosts conversions. It can instantly estimate and clear CTAs, automated follow-up, so it sends a summary, etc. You will do this with your own system. Canva cannot actually send the emails or create the emails for you yet. Raises order value. And it's actionable, instantly actionable. Why wouldn't you do this? Why wouldn't you try to find a way to get clients to give you their emails that's more unique and also gives them something out of it? People are more prone to give you something when you're giving them something too. So I do hope this tutorial helped you, and I cannot wait to do another one with you.